What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to screen record. So go to settings, and once you're in settings, scroll down and you see control center is right there. So go to control center and go to customize controls. So how to screen record. So if you're on right here, you see there's screen recording. So I'm gonna tap the plus button, and then if you want to remove it, you're gonna just tap on the minus button, or what is that, minus button. You need to tap on that, and you see there's remove. You need to tap on that if you want to remove it. But if you don't want to remove it, don't tap on that. So how to screen record. If you once you have that, scroll up or swipe up, and you see the screen recording. So if you hold this like that, you see microphone on. I'm on. That means you can hear my voice. But if you're on off, you can't hear your voice. Well, you need to make it on. Then if it's on, then you're ready to go and screen record your first video of screen recording. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. You need to subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe, like, and share. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified. For now, peace out.